So we'll do practice from Bhagavatam verses. So this is third canto, fourth chapter, text 1. We'll find out sandhis from the verses. Okay. So what I will do, I will pick sandhis from the shlokas. I will write it in the document, and then you take a guess which rule is it. Okay. So I will actually split up the sandhi, and I'm writing here. So you tell which sandhi is it. Like here it is just Uddhava space Uvacha, but I undid the sandhi, split up the sandhi, and I wrote Uddhavaha plus Uvacha. So which rule is this? The Vishnu Sarga got deleted by which rule? If you don't know, just quickly go through your rules wherever the notebook.
60.
You can go through the sutras.
Yeah.
That's why you should have some sutra book or something with you. Quickly.
I'm going to get the. You gave the book, right, Prabhu, the PDF?
Yes.
I'm going to print it out today and have a hard copy or something.
Yeah, that's why sutra book is some compulsory, for quick thing. Okay, if you're taking time, I will tell you just maybe you can write and then look afterwards. Okay, so this is Advaya Bhobhago from Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. So I don't recollect the numbers. So Advaya Bhobhago, that sutra is applied and Vishnu Sarga got deleted there. Then the second Sandhi I can see here is this Tat Anu Jnata. So 61 is applied here and the Ta of Tat became Tad. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Dante Hari Ghoshija Harigada. Then the next Sandhi I can see here is, I think this one, Vibhrankshita Jnana. Yeah, this one, Vibhrankshita Jnana. Oh, actually, even here, Anugyata, right. Even this Anugyata plus Bhukva. So the Vishnu Sarga got deleted here also by Advaya Bho Sandhi rule. Then Vibhrankshita Jnana. So this Jnana plus Druptair ityadi. So here also this Vishnu Sarga got deleted. Then the next is Duruptai Marma. So the Vishnu Sarga became Ra Rama by Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo. That's from Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo. So Vishnu Sarga became Ra by that rule. So these were the sandhis in this shloka. Okay. Then next shloka. Any
What
question?
was this, Sandhi Prabhu? Vishnu Sarga become Ra?
Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo. Ra Ishwarat Sarveshwara Gopalayo. You want the number? The number is
83.
83. 83. Then the second verse. Tesham Maireya Doshena Vishamikrita Chetasam. Okay, this Tesham you can take. So this Tesham plus Maireya ityadi. So this Ma became Vishnu Chakra. Mo Vishnu Chakra Vishnu Jane. And Vishnu Jana Sandhi. Ma becomes Vishnu Chakra when a Vishnu Jana is following. So tesham. Then nimlochati. Okay, this is interesting. Then ravau asid. So this is ravau. O au av.
Hmm.
Sarveshwara Sandhi. So au becomes av here
Hmm.
because the Sarveshwara is following. Au becomes av.
Hmm.
Like kalavapi tatha shrinu. Or that one. Prayan alpa yusha sabhya. Kalavasmin yuge jana. So kalau au becomes av. So that sandhi is applied here. Then the next sandhi I can see here is this asit and venu nam. So this the 61 is applied, Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante, and the becomes the Asid.
Hmm.
The like Bhagavad Gita, that one.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all here. These three sandhis.
Prabhu, quick question. uh,
Hmm?
so if we see the verse and we have to find out if there is any sandhi applied, we have to have the knowledge of root basic word. For example, asid is here, right?
Yeah.
That asit is a word, and that is how it. If we don't know about the word asit, then
Okay, so for the
it,
timing, I'm
mm,
just doing this practice just to show you that how sandhis are used in the shlokas. But you're not
mhm,
supposed to uh, you're not expected to do this level of thing now because you don't have that word, the vocabulary, the endings. So when we will do chapter 2, so you will get a lot more knowledge about words, the endings in chapter 2. Then you will be able to start figuring out like this as I'm doing now. I will be giving you this, like plus this plus this, and then you have to apply the sutra and do the sandhi. I'm not expecting the split up. You're expected the
mm,
joining of sandhis now because you don't know the words. But still,
okay.
if you are just reading for curiosity's sake, then when you're reading verses, then just look in the synonyms. Prabhupada has done the split up. Like you see, Ravau, Prabhupada has done the Sandhi Vichhed in the synonyms. You can still refer while reading right now.
So
Okay.
in the exam, Prabhu, we'll have this kind of questions, right? We have the plus denotation.
Yes,
We have
yes,
to
yes.
tell
I will give you
which sutra is this.
right. I will give you like this plus this. Do the Sandhi, apply rule
Mm,
like that.
mm. Okay.
Then the third one, Bhagwan Swatma Mayayah. So I can see here Swa and Atma Mayaya, Mayaya. So this is Dashavatare
Hmm.
Katmake Militva Trivikrama,
Militva
the
Trikram.
first Sandhi. Then second is this Gatim Tam.
Maya.
I'm not writing it again, but Ma becomes Vishnu Chakra.
Hmm. And
Gatim
even
Tam.
Maya.
No, no, no. There is no Sandhi there. Maya. That's one word.
Oh, okay.
Then Saraswati Upasprishya, no Sandhi. Vrikshamulam Upavishat, no Sandhi there. Yeah, that's all. Only this much. Okay, this Upavishat you can say there is a Sandhi, but yeah, there is like this is Upa and Vishat. So this is Dashavatare Katmake Militva Trivikrama. Upavishat. Upa is a prefix in Sanskrit. Like in Sanskrit, we have around 20, 21 main prefixes. So Upa is one of them. Like, we have Upanishad words beginning with Upa, like Upanishad, Upanayana. Like, we have Upanayan Sanskar in the Brahmanical tradition. They give that thread. Uh, so Upapuran, Uparashtrapati, like, president, vice president. So Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati. In Hindi, we say it like that. In Sanskrit Hindi. Upa is like vice, half half president or vice president. Well,
Hmm.
anyhow, so Upa is a prefix. Okay, more sandhis. Aham choktod. Okay, I'm not doing that ma thing again. Ma becoming Vishnu Chakra, that's very obvious. So cha ukto. So this is which rule? Udvay o.
Udayo. Udayo. Yeah.
So a and u becomes o. Like Purusha Uttama, Purushottama. Then the next sandhi is Uktaha plus Bhagavata. So this is that one. Ada Rama Gopalyor or Nityam Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. Vishnu Sarga first becomes U and A and U become O, right? If you remember.
Hmm.
So Uktaha and Bhagavata. Then the next one I can say is Prapanna and Arti. Arti Harena. So this is Dashavatarik Atmake Lalitva Trivikrama. Prapanna Arti. Yeah, you can see here also. This Aarti is not that Aarti like Mangala Aarti or something. This Aarti is like one who's distressed. Arto Jigyasur Artharti, Arth, one who's distressed. This is not the Aarti. Aarti. Then the next one is Prayahi Iti. Prayahi Iti. Second line.
Again,
Prayahi
again,
Iti.
Dashatare Katmike Militva.
Dashavtaregatmake Militva Trivikrama. And Sanjihirshuna. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Then the fifth one. Tathapi. So this is simple. Tatha plus api.
Hmm.
Dashavtaregatmake. Then tat abhipretam. Tat abhipretam. So 61 ta becomes the tad abhipretam. Abhipretam. Then yeah, this is interesting. Janan aham. This is that one. Vamanath Marnanath Visarveshware. Where na is reduplicated. Like Swaminiti Namine. Ajopi Sannavya Atma. So this na is doubled. Remember the sutra? In Vishnu Jana Sandhi we did. Vamanath, Marnanath,
75, 70 something.
that was the last third or fourth sutra. Last fourth sutra in Vishnu Jana Sandhi. So Janan Aham. Then Prishthato Anvagamam. This is interesting. So this is Prishthatah plus Anvagamam. So two rules are applied here. First, this A and Vishnu Sarga become O. And then Eobhyamasya Haro Vishnu Madante, then this A is deleted and we put that apostrophe mark.
Oh.
So two sutras are applied here. Then Bhartuhu Pada Vishleshana Akshamaha. So this Vishleshana and Akshamaha. So Dashavatarik Atmake. Okay. Dashavatarik Atmake has been applied here.
So Prabhu, in the exam, right? We will given this word, 2 words plus. Do we have to write the final word, or we have to tell the sandhi also, like the full sandhi? Which sandhi is this?
Yeah, stepwise.
Like we have to memorize all of these sandhis and write the name of the entire sandhi. Which is.
You mean the sutra?
Yeah.
So sorry. Yeah, sutra. Yes.
Yeah, better you do the sutras also. I will test sutras because Sandhi, there's nothing much here.
Because I can see that what sandhi is there, right? I can make the final word, but sandhi, the sutra memorization is not there.
Anyhow, you're doing the memorization, so I will expect sutras also for maybe in future chapters I won't expect sutras, but now for Sandhis I expect sutras. This is important. See, right now, if you both knew all the sutras well, then it would have been very quick, doing this exercise.
Mm.
So it will be for your betterment only. So I'm expecting sutras also
Mm.
for some these. Maybe in future chapters, I will ignore or skip sutras.
Okay.
There, the principles can work, but here sutras are required. Then I just conducted chapter 2 exam for like all other devotees. And I actually asked sutras also, like Abhishek Prabhu, Achinta Prabhu, and Rohinindra Prabhu. Everyone gave the exam. So they did write the sutras also. Hare Krishna.
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, my internet. Maybe you can both turn off your videos. My internet doesn't seem to be.
Are we audible, bro?
Yeah, I can hear you,
It
Prabhuji.
looks like there's some connection.
I can hear
Okay,
you.
sure.
Okay, then in text
Okay.
6,
Okay, bro.
अद्राक्षमेकमासीनं विचिन्वन्दितं पतिं श्रीनिकेतं सरस्वत्यां कृतकेतमकेतनम्. Okay, only this sandhi is there, like ma becoming Vishnu Chakra. So, yeah, apart from that, there is no other sandhi. So let's skip it. Then the next one, Shyama Avadatam. So one sandhi I can see, Shyama Avadatam. श्याम अवदातम. So दशावतार एकात्मके मिलित्वा त्रिविक्रमः has been applied. So श्याम अवदातम. Then Virajam Prashanta Aruna Lochanam. So Prashant Aruna. Again, Prashant and Aruna. See, this Dashavatar Sandhi is used a lot. Dashavatar Ekatmake. So Prashant Aruna. Then Dorbhish Chaturbhir Viditam. Okay, here you have two Sandhis. So Dorbhihi and Chaturhihi and Viditam. So first of all, this is that Sandhi. Chachayo Sharama. In Vishnu Sarga Sandhi, the Vishnu Sarga becomes Sh when Cha is following. You can recall that?
Yes, bro.
And then the second one is Ra Ishvara. And the second one is Ra Ishvarat Sarveshwara Gopala, where Vishnu Sarga becomes Ra by that rule. Which one? 83.
83.
Yeah, 83 is used second for the second one, and for the first one, this is the very first rule of this Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. Then Pita Kaushambarena cha. So this is Kausha and Ambarena. So the Dashavatara Katmake has been applied, and yeah, they will both become Trivikram. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. Yeah.
Let's do one more. Vama Ura Ura Vadishritya. Oh, this is interesting. This is actually Vame and Urau and then Adhishritya. So this Vame, if you remember, so this A becomes I, and then optionally we delete the Ya.
Mm-hmm.
So this is that Sandhi. A becomes A-Y, and then the Y, the year is deleted. So you get Vama. And then there was the rule Tesham na Sandhi Nityam. After we remove or delete year, then we don't do further Sandhi. So that's why it's just Vama. And then the second one is this Au becomes Av. Au Av. Like Kalau Api, like that. So Urav. Then Dakshina Angri. Dakshina Angri. Dashavatarik Atmake becomes Trivikrama. Then Apashrita Arbhaka. Okay, then Apashrita Arbhaka. So this is Dashavatar Ekatmake again. And again, after that is Ashwatha. So this is also Dashavatar Ekatmake again. Then, yeah, that's all. Tyakta Pippalam. Okay, any question here? So you're ready to give the exam the next week? Is it fine?
This will be offline exam, Prabhu, right?
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, Ankish Prabhu. Go ahead.
No, I was going to say that, bro, sutras, you have to still see some, because the last sutras we didn't memorize. So, I mean, the Vishnu Jana Sandhis. So,
Vishnu
I
Jana or
think that
Vishnu
will take
Sarga?
time. Sorry, Vishnu Sarga Sandhis.
Vishnu Sarga Sandhis are only like 9-10 sutras, not much. I mean, it depends on you. If you want to give next week, or if you want to give next week, depends on you. Just let me know on WhatsApp.
Next to sure. Prabhu, could you also please share the recording for this today? And
Yeah, the previous ones, previous ones are all previous ones are all uploaded. Only this one I will upload.
Sure.
Yes. So let me know on WhatsApp if you want to give next week or next to next week.
Sure. Prabhu, how long will be the exam? 1 hour, 2 hours?
I mean, depends on you how well you have practiced. So I will give for like 60 minutes, 1 hour.
1 hour is good, Prabhu.
Yeah, 1 hour.
So how many questions, bro?
Okay, don't worry about that. I mean, the chapter 2 exam took like 3 hours approx for the students to give.
3 hours.
Yeah. Some also took 4 hours. This is small. Sandhis is small.
Prabhu, yeah, I want to build up that manual, sorry, the binder for the sutras.
Okay.
And once I have that, I feel like while in the office also, I can just quickly get the book. So yeah, I mean, going forward, I think it will be easier.
Yes. Please
To
do have
revise the
something.
sutra.
Do have something like that. It's important, to have a quick look of sutras, like that. Okay, so we'll continue next week, next class.
Sure.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.